everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video, which is going to be this makeup tutorial, which is a TikTok trend, and I cannot tell you how pleased I am with how this turned out. I really hope you guys like it because I'm actually obsessed. I added some gems, and yeah, if you haven't seen it, has been viral on TikTok and I just had to try it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's get into this rainbow eye mask makeup tutorial. Ignore the skin, okay? It's a problem, but it's alright, it's fine, okay? Second of all, the palette that we're going to be using today is the new P. Louise AM to PM palette, which my boyfriend kindly got me for Christmas, an early Christmas present. And just look at those colours. Isn't that the most beautiful palette you have ever seen in your life? Like, I want to eat it. I want to actually eat it. Look at them. Look at those colours. All of the colour stories are just beautiful. And it's perfect for our rainbow look today. So this is the palette we're going to be using. First we need to put tape on our face. Now, I've never done this before. I only have sellotape. I do not have masking tape. Or I saw a girl use electrical tape. I don't have any of those, so we're going to go with sellotape. Which, I'm not sure how it's going to go. So I'm going to rip off a piece, and we need to go above, like over the brows, I believe, and then one underneath, I think. So let's just go for it. I'm going to literally go across the brows, straight across, and we're going to press that down really hard so that hopefully the makeup doesn't go underneath it. And we're done. We're going to do another one along the bottom. This is very strange. Okay, and we're going to take this along the bottom, I believe. What am I doing? How do we get it to stick on the nose is my question. Like, can you see? How do we get that to stick? Maybe if we just do another one over the top. Has that worked? It's worked a little bit more. I need to make it a little bit longer here. And it's going into my hair. Brilliant. And first we're going to go in with a really light concealer. This is the L'Oreal Paris concealer in the shade 320 Porcelain. And I believe we want it to be pale so that the colours can then like really stand out. So I'm just gonna put this everywhere, like everywhere, and blend this in. I'm really nervous, to be honest, because I don't think that this is gonna like work, as in the sellotape that I've just put on my face. I don't think that's gonna like make it really sharp, but never mind, eh? Never mind, we'll just clean it up after. I love TikTok trends. Right now, I'm questioning my decision. Because look at me. Okay, the first colour that we need to go in with is purple on either side, and I'm going to take it from this palette, and I'm not sure which one I'm going to go in with actually. I think we want a dark one, so I'm going to go in with this top corner one, which is called Never Stop, and I may mix it in with a couple of these lighter shades. I'm also taking these on a powder puff. I've seen that this trend like really works if you use a powder puff, so let's just go. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. This is like exactly the colour that I wanted. Stop, because this might actually work. I actually get so excited when like, obviously other people have done it, but like I'm like, no, I can't do that. And then I actually get really excited when it's actually gonna, like, I think it might work for me. Right, the next colour is blue, and I'm gonna go in with the shade on the dot, this one here, which is kind of like a brighter blue. Oh, it's gone very dark all of a sudden, I do apologise. But I'm gonna go in with the same powder puff. I'm just gonna take a different corner of it and take that blue and do the same thing. Dot it. Oh, Oh yeah. I like that blue. That is lovely. Okay, I'm not being funny, but this is going really, really well. And I didn't quite expect that. Okay, the next colour is green. Which green should we go in with? I think I'm gonna take a mix of this one here and this one, potentially this one. We're just gonna have a little play around. I'm not sure which green, because I want it to be bright, but then also obviously needs to be green. This looks quite green though. Oh yeah, okay. I'm literally not even having to like blend these much at all because the powder puff is just doing it for me. So this is honestly so easy. And like, I know that it looks really hard, or like when I've seen the trends it looks really hard, but like this is actually really easy. As well, I'm saying this thinking that it's worked. It might not have worked. I might take this tape off and it looks absolutely horrific and I'll have a lot of cleaning up to do, but that's okay, we can clean it up. Okay, yeah, that'll work. That'll do, P. Louise. I don't feel like yellow is ever a really bright colour anyway. I feel like it's a really hard colour to get bright, so I'm pretty okay with this being the best shade that we've got to work with. Now we're going in with orange, and I don't really know which ones to take. I'm going to take that Wait a Minute one with a mix of Split Second, which is more of a brown, but I'm hoping that's going to create a nice dark orange. Yes, it has. Stunning. Oh, this is crazy. Do I look crazy? I look crazy, don't I? Okay, the last one to go in with is pink. Right, and we have a bloody great pink for this. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that pink? I mean, we could do that one to be fair, but I'm thinking that one. That is called Sequence. You can't even see how bright this is on camera. But that is insane. That is actually insane. Oh my god. And like, even though P. Louise's eyeshadows are like so pigmented, I never feel like they're hard to blend. I'm gonna go back in with the orange and like blend over the edges of the pink, just to blend that in. This one is probably not gonna be the best. Oh wait. Wait, because it's actually worked. Stop it right now, stop it right now. That bottom one I really didn't think was gonna go, I really didn't think it was gonna go well. No, because seriously right now, I didn't think I could pull this off. I didn't think it was gonna work. Look at it. I look like a fucking superhero. It looks insane. Right, I've just got my makeup wipes and I'm gonna clean it up. But literally, looking at the time, I started this at 10 o'clock and it is now 25 past 10. Like, that hasn't taken me that long. Look at the colours. Oh my god. Oh my actual god. I'm in shock. I'm now gonna finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna do my full face of makeup, my normal face, and then I'm gonna stick a few gems on as well. These are the gems that I've bought. Well, not bought, I've had these. And I'm gonna stick a couple of them on because that is what people have done on the trend as well, and I'm copying it today. I am not being original. I'm fully copying the trend. And then I'll come back to you with the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I have done the rest of my base makeup and I've added some gems, and honestly I'm actually obsessed with this makeup look. Like, I just think it looks so cool. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok to see any of the looks that I'll be doing with this look as well, and thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.